Right. I'm so scared. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be, you guessed it, another wish video. You guys ask for these videos all the time. Every single time I post to my Instagram saying, what do you guys want to see? Wish videos is the overriding thing. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. Yeah. Okay, don't worry about it. I will say one of the products is an ab simulator thing that shocks your abs into working, and I am actually petrified. I've been putting this video off for a very, very long time, but it's happening today. So I'm just gonna dive into my little pile and we'll see what we've got. Okay, product number uno. This is a snap-on smile. From what I remember, the snap-on smile is basically a whole new set of teeth that go over your teeth and you just clip it on, kind of like a retainer, but they look like teeth, I think. It's come in a nice little case. Oh, okay. Okay. I don't know what this is. I'm going to assume that this is similar to the melty rubbery stuff from my other wish video. If you haven't seen that, I'll link it down below in the description. But I had some like gold teeth and you had to melt them to your teeth like a rugby retainer thing. I'm not going to bother with that because last time I hurt my teeth, like it burnt and it wasn't fun. So I'm just going to leave it, but I am going to try these on. I'm going to put these on and just see if it looks like my real teeth. Onto your teeth. Oh my god, it's massive. It is huge. That barely fits in my mouth. Okay, wait. Ah, I mean, I guess they sit like this. Do they look like real teeth? Does it look good? Oh my goodness, they do not look like real teeth at all, and I can barely talk in this. Obviously, if I were to use the little rubbery thing, they'd probably stay in better, but regardless, these do not look like real teeth at all. They don't even, oh, triple, ew, oh my gosh, that is so disgusting. I do apologize, I honestly thought these are not going to be great, but maybe you could get away with using them just for photos or something if you wanted whiter teeth for photos. No. I mean, there's not even any separation between these teeth. Like, who's using these and for what? They do not even look partially real. Hi, nice to meet you. I'm going to go ahead and give these a big thumbs down. Do not look like real teeth, so I'm just going to put these back in here. And also, if you don't have white bottom teeth that match the same as this plastic, they're dribbling everywhere. It looks so gross. They're just ridiculous. We're just going to put a little in that and leave those. Moving on. Okay, the next thing we have has fallen on the floor. The next thing we have is what? This is not, what? What? What on earth? I ordered this so long ago that in my head, I really thought that this was just like a corset type thing. It appears I have bought myself a giant pair of pants that clip up around like your legs. Are you joking? What have I ordered? Can you see that? Look at that. Look at that. That's the thong piece at the back. So it looks like a giant pair of sumo pants. Oh mama, that is tight. That's not even gonna go over my bum, surely. How do you get this? Oh, my thumbs are dying. I'm really struggling to breathe. I'm really struggling to breathe here. Okay. Ow, it's twisted. Ah, pain. Ow. This is so not worth it. Well, I don't know yet. It might be worth it. We are in the pants. So as you can see, it's pulling my waist in. Nice, lovely, until this happens. What is this? Just a little bulge. This, I mean, if I put on a bodycon dress, this is gonna look weird. I mean, really? Then we're gonna grab these random little straps and we're gonna put these round. What on earth? Look! Oh, is this meant to go under my bum cheek and push it up? Something ripped. I'm really not following what this is meant to be doing. Wow! Right. It looks very much like I've had a botched surgery. What's happened to my bum? Oh my goodness. Look at that. It looks like a little question mark. Like, whoop. Being totally honest, not that uncomfortable. Really hard to get into. Now it's on. Not too uncomfortable. It's fine. It's making my body look just ridiculous. Like, what happened here? I'm just wondering now, how do you go to toilet? You imagine being like, oh, I need a wee, I need a wee. One moment. Let me just unbuckle myself. 1 second. The wee at this point would be coming out. Just quick. And then you go to wee, and then you finish the wee, and you're like, gotta get this thing back on. Gotta get this thing back on. Forget about it. I don't want it. That pair of pants has actually ruined my nails. No! Look at my nails. They're all like brownish, blackish coloured, and it won't come off. Stupid pair of pants. We're gonna move on to the product I am most terrified of. This goes on your abs, and there's a little remote control, and you turn it on, and it shocks your abs. I'm actually quite terrified. Okay, here goes. Here goes nothing. Right. Oh my goodness. Okay, we've got a little instruction booklet and a little control. The translation hasn't really worked very well, and this doesn't make too much sense. By body character, let body take minimum electricity on special part of body. Okay. There's a choice of 6 modes. There's an on, a power off, a decrease, an increase, and a program. Push the switch for on. I'm scared. I'm really scared. I'm actually terrified at this point. Like, actually genuinely really quite scared. We're gonna peel this off. Oh, I so don't want to do this. How do you know where to stick this? Like, I don't have abs to stick it onto. So we've got our little battery thing, and you're supposed to clip this onto here. It won't go on. Okay, I'm gonna peel this off. Ow! Ow, ow, ow! And we're gonna stick this on. Right. Oh, I'm so scared. I can't do it. I actually can't do it. I'm so terrified. Okay, doing it for you guys. Nothing's happening. Oh. Oh my gosh, it actually feels so weird. Can you see it moving? It actually kind of aches. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I'm getting proper... Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, my muscles actually ache. I feel like I'm gonna be sick. That is so weird. It's actually making me a bit out of breath. It feels kind of painful in the top, and then the bottom it just feels like I'm really tensing my tummy over and over, which is obviously what's happening, but it feels so weird. So I'm gonna change the program now. I can't feel anything. Oh, ew, 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 ew. Ew! Ew, it feels so weird. It feels so weird. It's like sending, have you ever had like an electric pen and held it down? It's sending that through me. Oh, it feels horrible. Okay, next. Oh. Okay, this program. Okay, wait, let me just, how do I turn this thing off? Okay, I feel like I should just explain what's going on, because when this is on, my brain loses, I can't do anything because this is happening. So basically, when it was on #1 program, it was going, and my muscles were like moving, as you could see. #2 seems like a really fuzzy vibration. I can't even explain it, but a really fuzzy vibration. And then when you click program again, it goes to 1 and 2, and it's like a more intense fuzzy vibration. And so now we're gonna try #3. Okay, we're on program 3, and this one's like a pulsing fuzzy vibration. We're gonna, oh, it feels so strange. Oh my god! Wait, it actually made me cry. crouch over. Maybe this thing just makes you do sit-ups, like it forces you to. Okay, I'm gonna try, I'm gonna try and go to the highest intensity on number 3. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Jesus. Okay, I'm gonna click it one more time, I'm scared. I'm actually. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. Gosh! Oh! Can you? Oh! Why has it started doing this? Ow! 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 Why are you doing this? Oh my goodness, my abs. Yeah. Okay. Got it. What happens if I click one more time? Oh my! Ow! Ah! Pain! Actual pain. Turn down, please. Okay, we're going on to program 4. Okay, I don't even know what to expect at this point. Ah! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Can you see it moving? Ow! Oh my gosh! Okay. Oh my goodness, it's making me stand funny. Oh, we've got another program. We've got program 3 and 4 now. I'm actually out of breath and my abs do hurt, so I mean, it's doing something. Let's go crazy. Ah! I'm stood like a little weirdo. Oh! Oh, the pain! Oh! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, my abs are so tight. Ah! This is the weirdest thing I've ever tried. Ah! I wonder what my neighbours think of this noise. That was quite something. I don't know if this is coming across on camera how it actually feels, but the second that it gets more intense, it forces my abs to contract so much that my whole body like shudders. I swear, and I am not lying to you, I am not doing this on purpose. This is just genuinely how this is happening. Oh my goodness. It's just going for longer now. Oh! Oh, goodness. Oh, okay, we're gonna turn this off now. This is so gross. I'm sweating. I'm actually, look, like I've actually been sweating all over it. I'm not gonna lie here, I really feel like that works. I don't know if it does. I'm not gonna claim to know the science behind it or that it works, but my abs ache. Like my tummy actually does feel achy. I sweat. I don't even normally sweat that much when I actually go to the gym. My abs actually feel a little bit achy. I don't know how safe that is to use. I don't know if you'd actually get abs, but I will say it did feel like my abs were working. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up and a thumbs down. The thumbs down for me not knowing and the thumbs up for it actually did work. The product worked. My abs were doing things. I have another one. This is for your bum. If you would like to see me try this on my bum, then give this video a thumbs up and I will film that. Okay, the next weird wish item is a foot pad. And basically, I believe you can stick them on your feet and you don't need to wear shoes, but it looks like you're barefoot, but your foot's safe from glass and such. I probably wouldn't trust this, but we're gonna test it out. They might not be big enough for my feet. I have quite large feet. Let's have a look. Oh, they'll fit perfectly. I'm happy with those. I think these were £1, so I'm gonna go ahead and say don't trust them, but there is some on the market that are actually genuine. So if you wanted to get those, but I think they're like £60. So I'm just letting you know. That's satisfying. Okay, it's like a giant plaster for my feet. Just gonna stick this onto my big toe. Lovely, cute. Okay, and then these, oh no. Oh no, my toes are a little bit too long. Okay, and then just smooth this down. Ta-da! Welcome to the bottom of my foot. Interesting and soft, but it also, do you know what? Yeah, I can feel my nail through that. They're soft, they're comfortable, my foot can move. I feel like a pro at this. Oh, maybe not, I've ruined it. Oh, there we go. Smooth it down. Lovely. Can you tell I've got weird little shoes on my feet? Or does it just look like I'm barefoot? because ta-da, I got shoes on. I mean, I can feel the squidginess of the carpet, so I feel like I would feel a bit of glass. I have a little end of a paper clip, so I'm just gonna push it into my foot and see if I can feel it, or if I can break the shoe thing. Ah, yes, I can feel that. Yep. I mean, the paper clip's gone straight through it. I was gonna give it the benefit of the doubt and say, maybe you can feel it, but it won't puncture it. The paper clip went straight through. Paper clips aren't even that sharp. It's not a knife, it's not a bit of glass. It's a paper clip thing and it's gone straight through. So I'm gonna go ahead and give these a no. Okay, this is, okay. These are snore stoppers. So I'm gonna open them and then show you what they look like. I remember ordering these. I need these. Okay, this is what they look like. These, apparently, you put in your nostrils when you go to sleep and they stop you from snoring. I snore, and I really do think I need a nose job. I don't think I'm gonna get one, but I really do think I need one because if I breathe in really hard through my nose, it sounds like I've got a cold, and I don't have one. Listen. Is that normal? I can't breathe hard through my nose, so when I'm asleep, my mouth goes, and I breathe through my mouth, and sometimes that makes a funny sound, and I kind of half snore. So these little things are supposed to go into your nose, and I'm assuming they open your nose and let more air in. Maybe we're just gonna test it. I'm really excited because if these work, I will no longer snore. Right. Ow. Ooh. It's like I can breathe. I feel like air is going in me easier. I feel like I've never breathed properly before. Wow. Is this what it's like to breathe normally? I feel like I've never breathed normally before. It's so open. Wow. Look, my nose just closes. And I've gone lightheaded from breathing too much. I've gone really lightheaded from breathing in too much. I don't know if these would stop me snoring, but I feel like I could just wear these around the house because they just help me breathe better. I think they were free from Wish and they help me breathe better. Let me know in the comments if you think I need a nose job. You know when people are at the gym and they go breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth? I can't breathe in properly through my nose. I genuinely feel like this would help me at the gym. Life is better. I just might always wear this. You may just see me from now on wearing this. It just makes me breathe clearer. It's like magic. It's like magic. That is it for today's video. I really, really do hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a big thumbs up for me. And if you've stayed all the way till the end, leave me a comment down below saying, I really wish you'd film more Wish videos. That is my wish. And a nice big old smiley face. And I will try to heart and reply to as many comments as I possibly can. And yeah, I hope you did enjoy and I'll see you next Friday at 6. Bye.